All right, so we asked to calculate the area of the shaded area which is around the circle. In order to do that, we're going to get the total area of the circle and the total area of the triangle and subtract the circle from the triangle because the triangle is a bigger area than that. So let's see if it works out, if these values are actually true and if it actually is possible. Okay, so here we go. So the formula is basically area of the triangle. I'm going to call it AT minus area of the circle. And that'll give me the shaded area. I'm going to call it AS. The area of the triangle is given by base height, and I divide it by 2. The area of the circle is given by pi times radius squared. The base for this is, I'm going to call it 10x, and the height is going to be 6x. So that's going to become 10x. I'm going to keep it in a bracket, then write 6x minus 7, which I'm going to multiply into it as well, and then divide it by 2. Now, if I am working at a slant, so this is all, I'm still only working out the area of a triangle. I haven't worked out the area of the circle just yet. All right. If I simplify this, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So I'm left with 5x, bracket 6x minus 7. And when I multiply it in, I get 5 times 6 is 30. So that's 30x squared. And 5x times negative 7 is negative 35x. Then I have the circle, which is a radius of 2x. So this is going to become pi times my radius, which is 2x squared. That's going to be 4x. So this is pi times 4x squared. Now I can work this out. I can also use 3.14 as pi. And if I do that, I'll get 12.56x squared. I'll get 12.56x squared, assuming that pi is given as 3.14. I could also use a calculator and press shift, find it on your calculator, and replace pi with that long irrational number 3.14, etc., etc. Now I got like terms again, so I'm going to subtract that again. So I got 30 minusing 12.56, and I get 17.44. 17.44 x squared minus 35x. And that is now the area in terms of x. 17.44, which is like 436. If I use a calculator, it'll convert it into a fraction, but it's fine. We can keep it as a decimal. 17.44 x squared minus 35.